In high-stakes modern warfare, it's not just strength that wins, it's strategy. The Indian Air Force is deploying one of its boldest new doctrine developed yet, modeled after one of nature's most formidable hunters, the wolf. It's called Wolf Pack Strategy, and it's turning the Indian Air Force into more agile, lethal, and coordinated strike force. Let's take you inside this air power evolution.
In the early years of air combat, victory belonged to the ace pilot, brave, bold, and often flying solo. Battles were won in close-range dogfights where maneuver and instinct ruled the skies. By the turn of Cold War, air power evolved. Jets got faster, missiles replaced guns, and radars became the new eyes in the sky. Long-range interception and high-altitude bombing redefined what it meant to control the air. In the 1990s, the IT revolution brought in the network-centric warfare. Aircraft began to fight not as individuals but as part of a connected web, sharing radar data, targeting feeds, and strike coordination in real time. Today, air power is about integration. Fighter jets don't fly alone, they operate alongside AWACS, drones, electronic warfare systems, and satellites. It's no longer about just shooting or flying. It's about dominating every inch of the airspace with coordination and information. That's the principle behind Indian Air Force's Wolf Pack strategy, an Indian answer to global trends. It's not just evolution, it's adaptation, blending indigenous systems with imported technology to create something uniquely suited to India's threats. They don't fly alone, they hunt in packs. And when they strike, it's sudden, surgical, and overwhelming. This is the Indian Air Force's Wolf Pack strategy, a coordinated aerial doctrine that's reshaping the future of Indian combat aviation. The concept is simple but deadly. Multiple fighter jets from different bases converge as one unified combat package. Each aircraft plays a role. Some attack, others defend, while a few confuse the enemy's radars, all coordinated in real time. The enemy gets confused. They don't know where the strike is coming from. Is it from the east, west, or the center? That's the beauty of the Wolf Pack. It paralyzes enemies' decision-making. A typical Wolf Pack could include Rafales armed with Scalp missiles for deep strike, Su-30 MKIs for air dominance, Mirage 2000s for precision attack, and all operating as one lethal team. This isn't just a group of jets. This is networked warfare in action. Support platforms like Netra, airborne early warning and control aircraft, scans hundreds of kilometers ahead. Electronic warfare suits on board the fighters jam enemy radars and communications. The goal is to blind the enemy before the first missile is even launched. This isn't just about flying fast or hitting hard. It's about dominating the battle space, electronically, kinetically, and psychologically. That's the power of a coordinated Wolf Pack strike. Wolf Packs are highly mobile thanks to mid-air refueling from IL-78 tankers. The Indian Air Force fighters can operate across sectors without returning to their bases for refueling. Forward bases in Ladakh and the Northeast allow rapid repositioning during crisis. During the 2020 Ladakh face-off, the Indian Air Force quietly deployed this strategy. Rafales, Su-30s, and Mirages operated in pre-briefed strike packages, staying airborne for hours, patrolling at night, and keeping the adversary guessing. When Wolf Packs are in the air, the message is loud and clear. We are watching, we are ready, and we won't wait to respond. That deterrent effect is just as important as the strike capability itself. From high-altitude standoffs to future battlefields, the Indian Air Force is evolving fast, blending firepower with coordination and technology with teamwork. In the skies above, the wolves now hunt in formation.
The IAF's Wolf Pack strategy reflects deep shift in military thinking from individual platforms to integrated power. And as the skies get more contested, the strength of the pack might just make difference between victory and vulnerability.